Let's take a look at the Harris 250 Grand Mariner today. This boat is quite eye-catching, as you'll notice. You have the white hull exterior with the matte black accent as well, and you do have these incredible headlights right on the front of your boat. If you'll come on into the boat here, you could take a look. First up, we have these massive long loungers. Like, these are huge. You can fit plenty of people on here, or you can lay back, kick up your feet, and relax. You do have the integrated cup holders right here, and you do have USB charging as well as your stereos on both sides, so you can hear music throughout the entire boat. You do have the armrest that you could put down or put up depending on your own preference, and you do have integrated cup holders as well. Down below, you'll notice some in-floor storage in here. This is a perfect spot to put your ropes, your skis, whatever you want out of the way, down in here. As you move further back, we do have a bimini above us, and we have a co-captain's chair and then the helm chair. At the co-captain's chair, we do have this nice little spot here where you can wirelessly charge there's a wireless charge here where you can put your phone down and it charges. You do have a USB port here as well, and of course, more cup holders. Over here on the helm, it is a raised helm, so you'll notice it does come up here, and you have plenty of leg room down below. You have a beautiful helm here, so you do have the Simrad display right here, and you have JL audio as well. There is Bluetooth, so you can hook up and connect your phone. Back here, you have the sun pad lounger. You can move this rest depending on how you prefer to sit. If you prefer to sit backwards, you can move this all the way over if you want to sit forward, or push it all the way down if you want to lay out. So it's very nice, and you can kind of convert it to how you prefer to sit. Back here, you do have more cup holders as well, and you also have USB ports and your JL audio, so you can control the radio from back here on the sun lounger as well. And that is just a super quick look at the Harris 250 Grand Mariner.